It's Manda. Welcome to my channel. Today we are setting up my Frankenplanner for May. I am sad to say I am not going to be using at least this cover for a little while. It's a little too bulky for my needs. So yeah, we're going to be putting this cover to the side. And I bought the cottagecore, cafe core planner from the spring release of Happy Planner. So this is going to bother me. Oh, good, it's coming out. I've got these really sharp needle nose pliers. This part here had a protective covering on it that was coming off, and the way that it's put in there, it does not tear cleanly along this line, but I had used these are really sharp. You could like stab somebody with it. If you're not careful, you stab yourself with it and like cut along the edge with it and pull it off. But anyway, so we're gonna be setting up May in my Frankenplanner using this planner instead of this cover. This is a Moterm cover. It's fantastic, it's great, it's just, it's too bulky for my needs. But it is beautiful and I love it. It's perfect color, but you know, not the season to be using this right now. If it just stayed on my desk all day, that's one thing, but maybe not. Maybe I'll put that, my new passion planner in there. So as you can see, this is a very Frankenplanner right here. So we're going to start off with taking everything off here, putting it all in here, or taking everything off here as well. These are the, these came out in, I want to say the 2023 fall release. These are the chai metal discs. They're beautiful and I think they'll go great with this. So we're going to start using those as the base, and I don't need this, just more paper to have to recycle and packaging. So I have a paper bag full of discards. So you can see on this backing how it has the same plastic, so I'm gonna have to take that off at some point. But yeah, so it doesn't cleanly tear. What I did is I took these and just went along into the seam, and that seemed to help take it off. Makes it come off made it come off a lot cleaner than the front, than just pulling it off. So yeah, that's a tip for all y'all. If y'all are struggling like I did. And of course the back looks better than the front, always does. So I'm going to put the rings on the back first. It's always, these deluxe covers, it's always easier to do one cover at a time. Oh yeah, these are going to look good on here. I do need to find some sort of elastic. That happens a lot sometimes. No, stay. I did not say you could release. There we go. All right. Oh, beautiful. All right. So we're going to start with the front matter. Do love the front of this. One of the reasons why I got this. Okay, we're just gonna leave this front matter then, because this is just through July. So we'll take it back. Oh man, I can't use this until July. I forgot. Okay, we'll just put you to the side. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. We'll make it through. We'll make it through. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take. That's on there this year. So we're going to take these various sticky notes off here. These are Sterling Ink gives out a printable, and sorry if you hear dogs barking outside. I have the windows open because it's such a nice day and we don't get very many of those. So it's like nice and, well, it's partly cloudy, but yeah. So we're gonna take all this and start putting it on. It's my old, I need to really start using my planner more effectively. On the 1st, which is when's the 1st? The 1st is Thursday? Yeah, Thursday. I am starting my own version of the 75 soft challenge. So I have this cleaning list that I laminated. I've got my KonMari list of things that I want to do. This is a page of notes with regular random things. This is sort of my attempt at nail planning. Something else I've laminated. Okay, so that's all the front matter. Next is the personal area divider, which I guess we're going to be using front matter from here still. This should all be April. So I don't need any of this except this last page. Which is May. I put my divider in. And then grab my catch-all. She be getting thick. So we just put all this on here. We'll grab out May. Don't need this one anymore. All right. So this is one of the reasons why I wanted to use the Cafe Core, is I just don't like these dividers very much. So there's that. So we're gonna put these monthly dividers, monthly dashboard, don't use the daily tasks for this one, so we're gonna put these two at the end. Then we're gonna pull the teacher layout, question mark. I base everything off of my social media planner because it's the only one that is not undated. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. It all depends on where the first starts in the month, like what part of the week. So that's 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see. So that's the back of the undated one. So this is 1 week. This is 2 weeks. 3 weeks. 4 weeks. And then 5 weeks. So I'm gonna go ahead, since we're here, grab my tape runner and go ahead and tape these down. Oh no, Loki is snoring. You probably can't hear him, but he be snoring. So we're gonna tape this one down too. We went on a WALK before this, so he tired. And today's Sunday, so we're gonna save this for my social media planner to put in, because and we're gonna hold this one to the side, that one to the side. So yeah, that's my catch-all. Today's Sunday, so I went to the swimming pool, which I'm not nearly as sore as I was the first time, so I'm happy about that one. So this is my health section. So again, we're just gonna pull the front matter off. This is another undated, so we need 5 weeks. This is, I made a little 75 soft challenge. So for this, it's a lot more pared down than the 75 hard. There's no way my life is not conducive to trying to do that. So I also have my measurement tracker. I don't know how many weeks is it. It's 11 weeks. So this goes out for 12. So this should be fantastic. Good pair. This was my starting weight in January, and I'm still weighing that. So yay. So and I have another one of those on here as well. So 30 days, that'll be 90 days. So yeah, I think what I'll do is I'll just wipe this part out and start, use it there, since I only did the one. All right, so this is last month. I barely even used this thing last month, so there's that. Let's put this. I use these more to be able to flip to the right page in my social media planner than to actually mark anything. So this is going to be the currently. All right, where's my fitness planner? This. So I also need to, where's there. Pull the May's off because I didn't do April. It's March. Put April in. I do love these red rings. So we're gonna put May down. Not the most visible, but you can't put white on white on this side, so there we go. And we needed, what do you say, 5 weeks again? So we probably just need to take 1 week out of here. And it'll be 5 weeks. Just like we did the other one, so. Let's see, this is 1 week. 2 weeks, 3, 4, and then 5. Perfect. All right, we're done with this one. Hooray! We did it. Put you down there. All right, there's that. Now for my social media section. Putting in the front matter. Then we're gonna skip, I'm gonna pull this out because I need this. And then, so this is what I use the task one for, is to show what I need to write. I'm gonna pull this out and also put it here for May. Just transfer it over since I kind of need it. Pull that out. Until I transfer all of the stuff that's on there still that I still need to do. Let's see, we want, there's March, we want May. I do love these green rings on here too. At the end of the year, I'll pull all this crap off and save what I want to save. So May. This one we don't have to count out because it's actually dated. It's the only dated one I have. Then we're gonna put, what I do is I just turn this over and fold like so. I'm gonna put this one like this. And this one like this. This is the April one again. Off camera, I'm going to transfer this onto here. There's May. Now for the last part, this is just an area where I keep extra stuff, like these weekly overviews. Haven't really been using them. Then I have this like classroom checklist, which I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do with those. I think it's, yeah, so I wanted to glue those together. And then I have this last bit. These are extra pages that I pulled out from other months that just got transferred in the back. So we're gonna pull those out, don't need those. I'm gonna put these back here. This is an extra one from my monthly. Some extra grid paper, some dailies. Some more extra weeks, don't need those. Some stencils. And of course, this folder with some stickers and more stencils. And then I'm gonna put, oh, I'm gonna have to grab that. I am not transferring these sticky notes. This is a clear disc. I needed to get it then, or else I would never be able to find the clear disc again. And these are two different color covers, so we'll put those away. But yeah, okay. So that's pretty much it. We're gonna put this where it belongs. It belongs here. yeah, that's pretty much my setup for May in this planner. I hope you enjoyed watching me put this sucker together. It's a little wonky. I need to find a little rubber band that goes with this so I can keep it closed a little bit. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I think I need to find a different dashboard because it's going to poke through here, or I need to put something in front of it. Do I want to put this in front of it? There, that'll work for now. That's one of the reasons why I don't like the way that they do these covers, is because like it doesn't go all the way to the edge. I don't know why they do it that way. But anyway, I love this cover because you can do that or that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!